Alright, welcome back to another video. In today's episode, we're going to build a shifter or two. Let's get started. Alright, so this is an NV4500 5-speed transmission, and I need to build a shifter for it. And how am I going to do that? Well, I'm going to attach a rod to the top of the shifter tower. And in order to do that, I'm going to start with a jam nut. And then I have a coupling nut here, which is just a really long nut, usually used for some all thread. That is going to thread onto here. And then I can weld the shifter into this. Okay, in an effort to keep things as simple as possible, I'm just going to make this out of a piece of solid round 5/8 bar. And it's going to sit about like this. I just need to bend the end of it so that it's in line with this coupling nut, and then I can weld it to the nut. Okay, that appears to be the angle that I was looking for. Now I just gotta make it fit inside that nut. Alright, there it is, shifter number one. Now I just gotta rattle can this thing real quick and it's ready to install. Alright, here's the shift knob. Okay, now that that shifter is complete, I need to make another one. And what do I mean by that? Well, this thing is 4-wheel drive and I need a shifter for the transfer case. If you remember any of my videos from the beginning of this project, I had made a shifter, but I don't really like it so much, so I want to make a new one, and that's going to come up through the floor right here. So let's start on that. Okay, this is the original transfer case shifter that I had built, and I don't like the handle portion of it, so I'm going to change it to a shift knob, and this is the knob that I chose. If you know my wife, you know why I chose this knob, and also it matches the dashboard pretty well. So I'm going to cut the original shifter in half and then weld a rod on it like I did for the transmission. Alright, while I wait for the paint to dry, the next thing I want to do is make another aluminum trim ring to go around this shifter. So let's get to it. Okay, here's the trim ring. It's gonna sit like this. Now I gotta make another leather boot to go around the shifter. Alright, calm down, ladies. I barely know how to use this thing. It's my wife's. Just kidding. The only women that watch this channel I'm related to. All right, that's going to be it for this one. I know it was a simple project, but it needed to get done. You're probably sick of seeing interior videos, so the next video I'll probably do something to the outside of the truck. So as usual, stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you next time.